Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making a restore point so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Once done, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and stop the Windows Update service with netstop userv. This unlocks update files. Next, create a dedicated backup folder on an external drive. /win updates backup is fine. You do this so file timestamps and permissions remain intact when you copy. That preserves the update installer's Windows uses during recovery or offline installs. Now copy the software distribution contents using a tool that preserves ACLs and timestamps. For reliability, use robocopy. Robocopy C /Windows /software distribution /win updates backup /e /copyall /r 1/w1. Also include both the download and data store subfolders because they contain installers and metadata. Once copied, compress the backup to a zip or 7z to save space and make it portable. Make sure the copy complete. To restore, stop the Windows Update service again and replace the C /Windows /software distribution folder with your backup copy. Then restart the service using netstart userv and check Windows Update. If something goes wrong, run system checks. sfc/scano followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corruption. A key troubleshooting tip: if updates refuse to install after restore, delete software distribution entirely and let Windows recreate it. This forces a fresh download and often resolves metadata conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.